Welcome, CDMO professionals, biotech and pharma representatives, consultants of all kinds. All of you can be very proud to be recognized as among the best organizations in this CDMO industry.
In March 2025, Outsourced Pharma, Life Science Connect, and Orientation Marketing celebrated the hard-working and often unrecognized outsourcing partners who bring life-saving therapies to market with the 14th Annual CDMO Leadership Awards.
Welcome to the CDMO Leadership Awards.
Great to be here.
What's your name and who are you with?
Ken Drew, I'm with Pharma.
I'm Gwen Green. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Ben Bioscience.
I'm Matt Dawes, Vice President of Commercial Operations for Oral Drug Delivery for Thermo Fisher Scientific.
We honor the industry's top CDMOs, celebrating drug development and manufacturing during an exclusive awards ceremony, followed by an evening of networking, culinary delights, and industry recognition.
And this is a great industry. You are too often underappreciated and unsung heroes. Tonight, though, we show great appreciation for what you do. It's appreciation for the services and products every one of you so reliably delivers to the benefits of patients around the world.
We want you to join us in honoring excellence in drug development and manufacturing. But before we get to the wining and dining, let me tell you what distinguishes our awards ceremony from other industry celebrations, and how we continue to boast high attendance from top executives and decision makers in biopharma manufacturing. It's all thanks to your customers.
Oh, that means really a lot of trust from our customers because it's voted by the customers. They got the positive feedback. Really make me happy that we support and made the impact to their research, to their drug development.
I want to stress the fundamental attributes for accuracy that have made these awards the most meaningful over these past 14 years. And we start with the integrity of how we gather our data and reach our results.
The categories and scoring methodology for the CDMO Leadership Awards is determined through feedback from Life Science Connect and Outsourced Pharma readers. When looking for a CDMO partner, readers indicated they start narrowing their list by modality and capabilities. In a partnership with Orientation Marketing, we've refined our awards to better align with these criteria in the following categories:
Biologics, cell and gene therapy, small molecule API, small molecule dosage form.
We further divide each category into regions, including North American, international, and global operations. Readers overwhelmingly indicated their first step in partnering with a CDMO is asking a colleague or peer who they would recommend. We mirror this in our methodology, a proprietary scoring system combining elements of a Net Promoter Score and a top 3 ranking provided by respondents comprised of our readers, your customers. The result is a final weighted score from 1 to 10 for each CDMO. Scores above a threshold reflect CDMO Leadership Award winners within a modality and finalists for the Champion Award, the top-ranked CDMO in each category. In addition, we highlight best-in-class operators within 7 areas: manufacturing capabilities, scientific expertise, on-time delivery, seamless delivery across all phases, quality management systems, innovative technology approaches and process execution, ending with facilities.
In total, 289 respondents evaluated 210 CDMOs. Respondents can only evaluate CDMOs they've worked with the past 24 months. Allow me to say thank you to those who provided the invaluable feedback, our readers, and all of your customers.
You know, I think in this particular case, there's an awful lot of recognition out there that is really driven by things other than the performance of your business. In this case, I think it's a genuine vote of confidence in us by our customers. We have a lot of pride in being one of the group of recipients of these prizes tonight.
Like I said on stage, they told me this is the place to be at DCAT. Is this the place to be at DCAT?
This is the only place to be for the whole 4 days, to be honest with you, yeah.
So what did you take home?
We took home the most transformative CDMO of the year, and I think it was a real serious award, to be honest with you. And there's a lot of other fluff awards, but the CDMO Leadership Award, I think it means something to the companies that are participating in it, and it means something to the industry.
Today at DCAT, we had already very good conversations in customer or prospect meetings talking about this award, and that we were one of the nominees for the winners, and everybody was respecting that highly. So we think it's a very high recognition of what we do out there to improve patients' lives in the future.
The awards are only the beginning. You'll be treated to an evening of premium networking with the customers who award your efforts. These are just a few of the high-profile attendees from our 2025 CDMO Leadership Awards.
So we're here and we're excited to be here. It's a great opportunity to mingle with other winners in the CDMO industry. I think you guys do a fabulous job promoting the industry. Louis does a great job. You guys have a quality website publication. I think it's excellent to be here.
Recognition doesn't stop with those you serve. The CDMO Leadership Awards are an opportunity to be amongst peers recognizing each other for their contributions to the industry. We formed a panel of esteemed CDMO experts to highlight the best CDMO private equity team, most promising drug delivery technology, and the best new or transformed CDMO, kicking off these juried awards with our new Lifetime Achievement Award, given to an outstanding individual in admiration for innovating the pharma services landscape.
I want to thank our customers and the CDMO industry. Our customers put an immense amount of trust in us to take their molecule, what could be life-saving, life-enhancing drugs, they entrust it to us. That means a lot, and quite frankly, I also want to thank the entire CDMO industry because it's the collective industry that really makes a differentiated ecosystem for pharma, biotech, and healthcare customers. And then, lastly, just a closing thought, I am very honored to receive this award, but it's really a recognition of the progress of our entire industry. Thank you.
The CDMO Leadership Awards are a can't-miss opportunity for industry leaders in drug development and manufacturing to receive valuable industry recognition, network with high-value clientele, and establish your presence amongst the industry's top CDMOs. Your customers and peers are already making plans for 2026. To make yours, contact us using the information on your screen.